Hello. The book that I chose to read was Caravan to the North by Jorge Argueta, and I actually read it on my phone. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how I read it. And it basically was a book about a young boy and his experience immigrating from El Salvador to the United States. It talked about how his family was not able to find work in El Salvador, and there was increasing political issues and more gang violence, which is what led his family to having to leave. It really went into detail with the experiences that he had while he was actually immigrating. It talks about the stops that they made and the people that they met. They left with a large caravan of people from El Salvador, and they traveled in a large group. And a lot of people were talking about the different issues that they were having and what they wanted to do once they got to their final destination. Some planned on staying in Mexico, others were coming all the way to the United States. And it really just touched on the real issues that these people face when they are going through immigrating, and the challenges that they face, and just how tolling it is for them. But it also does talk a lot about the good people that they met along the way, and the people who were there to kind of provide aid to them and support them in different cities. It also does talk a bit about the struggles that they were having once they got a lot closer to the border. He was traveling with his family, and it talked about the different struggles that they had with people not wanting them in the city of Tijuana. And it also was talking about the struggles that they faced with border control once they actually arrived to the border. And it was a really eye-opening book, and I think it was a great children's book for learning about immigration, and I think it really was eye-opening to the fact that there's so many things that these individuals go through when they're immigrating that we don't necessarily know about and we aren't really aware about. But I really thought that it was an amazing book, and it would be amazing to use in a classroom for students who are a little bit older, because there is some instances of a little bit of violence, which I think definitely older children would be able to read about and sympathize with, but I do think that it would be an amazing book to use in a classroom.